back to my video. Today we will introduce about the list in the Python. First on go to Jupyter to execute your code. As before I do this many times. Now I new project new temporary. Okay, set a new name list. Okay, I equal open bracket 10, comma 30, comma minus 5, comma 1. Let's try print I list. Okay, we have 4 value in this list. In list you can add more value like string or another list. Now I add one string to list I. Print I. Now I pen a list 2, 3, and sublet will be added in the list I. You can see it print. Okay, we will now in list in Python we can delete the component from the list I dot bob okay, print I again, and the list the sublet will be deleted in this list. I dot bob continue when I and hello string will be deleted also. With list in Python we can change the value of component. Now I will try to change the value of the first component in this A. In list I bracket square 0 equal 43. When I again we will see 43 it will be displayed in the list repeat the list 10. Now we have b list b equals open bracket is the rotation mark monkey, comma rotation mark pit, comma rotation mark dragon. We have reach component in the list B. Now we want to swap the first component and the last component. We can do like this. We create a temp variable temp equal b0 and b0 equal b open bracket 2 b2 equal temp. You can see the result like monkey and dragon is swapped together. If you want to swap again to have apply the original list, we can do like this. B0, B2 equal B2, and B0 print B. Right. Now we have swap between monkey and dragon again. Okay, you can try some scanner. Thank you. See you next video.